Now, you can be asked very specifically on origin of Atlantic Ocean, origin of Indian Ocean. Atlantic more likely because this is more in detail. So आपको 5-6 चीज याद रखना है. Origin of the oceans को link करो with tectonics. Link it with sea floor spreading. Link this with origin of the genesis of Earth's crust. Link, when I say tectonics, link this with Wegener's idea of Pangea and how the Pangeas have moved. You start with, you say that the history of the oceans is related to tectonics, and in the creation of the Earth's crust and in the creation of the continents. Okay, this is how you can start off. The history of the oceans is related to tectonics, the creation of the Earth's crust and the continents. The oceans, particularly Atlantic Ocean, has witnessed different phases in its origin. Phases which are related to the Wilson cycle. Like it's related. This is about how the oceans open, how the oceans close, resulting in development of continents and the crust. So Wilson cycle से related. Atlantic Ocean जो है, एक आपका first phase था, okay, that began in the Precambrian times, around 700 million years ago. But we say the older Atlantic closed around mid-Paleozoic. Okay, ये आपका part of what's called as the evolution of the first supercontinent. Pangea 1 का part था. The first phase. I'm talking about Atlantic Ocean. The origin is from the Precambrian times. 700 million years old history है, related to Pangea 1. But Atlantic Ocean closed, बंद हो गया. It closed around the mid-Paleozoic times. The present day Atlantic Ocean is the evolution through the second phase. The present day hai, it is the consequence of the evolution through the second phase. Yes, second phase, it started opening up around mid-Mesozoic times, around 150-200 million years ago. 150-200 million years ago. Sequence में क्या था? The first was that North America separated from Africa. Second में Europe and Greenland separated from North America. This is related to the opening up of Labrador Sea. और third phase में separation of North America from South America, creation of the Caribbean Sea. And today they are linked by the narrow Isthmus of Panama. Having said this, please do talk about the Atlantic Ocean opening is related to the sea floor spreading process, okay, and the active divergent boundary. You can always add a point here. Atlantic Ocean history of last 200 million years is preserved in the paleomagnetic records on the oceans. Okay, so this is the suggested summary of how you may write the answer. And this ये जो cycle है, this cycle was explained by Valentine and Moore 1970s में. Atlantic Ocean का जो history है, the history of Atlantic Ocean of the last 200 million years, the history of Atlantic Ocean of the last 200 million years is preserved in the paleomagnetic records on the oceans. इसको with diagram अगर आप लिखें तो refer करो page 50, page 51 and get ready for a 15-mark answer or a 2-page.